welcome to Guinevere's Mocktails. Today is sadly the last of the Halloween season drinks for this year. But I assure you, the best is yet to come. Today we will be making the Bloody Maple Mist. The Bloody Maple Mist has 7 lime liquid death, mint syrup, 7 caves maple syrup, which Jeff was kind enough to let me try when I was down in San Diego, California. An ounce of lime juice, 1.5 ounces of blueberry juice, and 2 ounces of Ritual and 2 ounces of Ritual Rum Alternative, which is this. Where's my, oh, here it is. And now we shall fill the shaker with ice. First, we put in the 1/2 ounce of liquid death, the 1/2 ounce of mint syrup, an ounce of 7 caves maple syrup, which is rum barrel aged, and I love it on pancakes and waffles, so I figured I would try to make a drink with it. An ounce of the 7 caves maple syrup goes in the drink. An ounce of lime juice. 1.5 ounces of blueberry juice. And 2 ounces of Ritual Rum Alternative. And now we mix it up. Remember to shake it in a circular motion so everything gets mixed together. That should be good. Now we grab our martini glass today. This is missing something. Wait, I know. It's missing a poisoned apple, because every potion should have a little bit of poison in it. And now we pour in the drink. Delicious. That is how you make the Bloody Maple Mist, and I hope you enjoy your drink. See you next time on Guinevere's Mocktails. Bye! Because you were laughing so hard, which made me laugh, which made me lose my spot.